sa GC natin yan. Michael, ilan ka, Michael? Sally?
57 po.
Very good, Michael, ah. At least more than half, no? So aralin na lang yung mga, siguro nagkakamali tayo dun sa mga meters, no? Yun yung medyo dapat mas makuha natin ng konti. Ma'am Sally, ilang ka? Benji? Jel? Okay.
So, hindi ko na-check yung iba.
Ay, hindi pa. O sige, isasend ko naman sa inyo pati yung answers. Open ang cam bago tayo magpaalam for tonight. Yes.
Hindi ako nakasok.
Wow. Hi, Miss Sheila, Miss Cinco. Hi, Miss Jel. Hi, Miss Kay.
Hi.
Ma'am Sally. Hi, Michael. Benji, Rox, Ma'am Sally, Norma.
Sabihin mo, ma'am, nagulo lang yung hair mo sa dami ng sinagutan mo.
Hindi pa nakasuklay niya, ang ganda na.
Yeah. Tingnan mo si Jeff.
Partida.
Guys, tingnan niyo si Jeff, oh, may bangs na. Nagsagot lang siya ng 100, nagkaroon siya ng bangs.
Kabang na.
Alright, okay guys, I'll be sending you the lahat ng diniscuss na materials. Tapos maglalagay ulit ako sa GC for another 103 questions, no? Google form, no? It's in Google form para pag wala kayong ginagawa anytime next week, 'di ba? So aside from these test questions na binigay ko tonight, pagtiyagaan po natin ulit sagutan yung 103. Then next meeting, before we start another topic, mag-flash ko ulit yung answers through PowerPoint for the Google form para we could get that one. But I'll be sending you the test questions, the Q&A, pati yung Q&A ibibigay ko, all the topics na diniscuss ko, pati yung PDF ng mga sizes. Para if you have time, diba, pag-fill mo lang ng konti, anong dapat ko ma-recall, anong dapat ko tandaan for today. So we have 1 week, no? We have 1 week na ma-inculcate sa atin, ma-internalize natin si subdivision. Focus muna tayo kay subdivision ngayon kasi medyo maraming technical, no? Maraming technicality si subdivision. Kung ano yung kaya nating i-absorb for the week for subdivision. Because next week, we will be having another topic, which is condo concept. Okay? So, syempre, somehow, ngayon, I assume, everybody assume, na yung first part of the Reblex, no? First part of the Reblex, which is the, ano ba yan? Fundamentals, yung 4 topics na una nating diniscuss. Somehow, natas nyo na yung sarili nyo on the test questions that you're getting about 70% at least or more. Huwag na tayo mag-target ng 50% para ipasa natin yung first part. At least 75%. Doon muna natin i-target yung first 4 subjects na nauna natin. Dapat nandun na tayo on that level. Then dito sa subdivision, it's okay kahit 50% lang tayo. That's okay kasi we have 1 week to internalize it. No, I'll be sending you all the materials para itong 1 week na to, ang i-focus muna natin kung ano yung kaya nating matandaan regarding subdivision development. Guys, di ba hindi lang tandaan, ang importante is maunawaan. I'll be sending you the pictures para at least meron tayong justification na bakit yung sidewalk dapat ganito kalaki. Kasi anong dapat kong ma-imagine? Ano ba yung purpose ng DSWD, ng DPWH on this? Diba? Para maintindihan natin, pag nag-exam tayo or may na-encounter tayong questions, meron tayong na-division na drawing. Diba? Parang mas nauunawaan natin pag ganun. Even the mga plant strips natin. Kung kaya mo nga i-drawing, sige, medium cost, low cost siya. Ganito yung shape ng, yung road niya, 8 meters, ang sidewalk niya ganito. Kasi mas pag may drawing, pag may na-visual tayo, mas mabilis nating natatandaan. Few minutes lang, siguro about 1 hour lang a day. Kasi may trabaho tayo, sabihin mo na ilang oras, 1 hour a day. Then the test questions, kaya mo naman sagutan niya kung ilang nakatambay ka, sagutan mo na sagutan pa ulit-ulit. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you're done with 100 questions eh. Pag natandaan na natin siya, pag na-internalize na natin siya. Okay, so this week, focus natin is more on subdivision. And we assume na yung first part, the first 4 subjects, somehow we were able to get 75% of all the test questions that we have. Kasi towards the end ng ating session, for all the session, I'll be giving you more questions, different questions na doon sa mga naibigay na sa inyo for the topics that we had. Para pag pines mo yon, mas ma-check mo na yung sarili mo kung nasaan tayo more or less. Okay, di ba sabi natin, kailangan at least makapasa sa board exam at least 75%. Pero bago i-compute yung 75% natin, dapat sa lahat, sa every three parts yung exam, every part dapat at least 50%. Kung may 49 ka lang sa isa, wag naman, target natin 75. Diba? Para siguradong i-compute yung grade natin. Para kahit 75 lang ang average natin, towards yung total, still lulusot tayo. Diba? So kung mag-aim na rin lang tayo, let's aim for better grades. 75 at least for the first part. Yung sa first 4 subject natin. Legal requirements, family, yung regarding sa property ownership, laws and taxation. Diba? Alam naman natin kung saan tayo medyo mahina eh. Mas alam nyo yun kaysa sa akin kung saan kayo medyo nahihirapan. So pag medyo mas nahihirapan, dagdagan lang natin ng konting minuto yung pagbasa. Diba? Para diba sabi ko importante maintindihan, it's important for us to understand it. Mag-isip kayo ng trick. Titisin lang natin to hanggang April. Diba? Until such time that you're gonna take the board. Utang na loob, parang walking real estate dictionary ka nun pagkatapos nun. Diba? Can you imagine that? Diba ang sarap? Ang sarap ng feeling eh. Diba? Ang sarap ng feeling na pagdating mo sa board exam, you are confident that you're gonna take the exam. Remember guys, ang importante, maraming factor. Yung nagre-review sa inyo, yung mga test questions that you have, yung sa paligid nyo, that's all important. Ang pinaka-importante is tayo. Sarili mo. If you have that conviction, if you have that determination that you wanna pass the exam, you wanna excel on the exam, not just pass excel the exam, walang imposible. Di ba pag meron tayong gusto, nagagawa natin eh. Pag may gusto tayong bilhin, nagagawa natin ang paraan na magtrabaho para mabili yung gusto natin. So it's the same thing here. Konting time lang, ilang months lang to. At hindi naman natin 24 hours gagawin. You still have your me time, you still have your family time, you still have your time for work. Just asking for a day. Sabihin mo about an hour a day before you sleep or pagising mo ng umaga or in between breaks. Diba? Few minutes. Test questions nasa phone nyo. Diba? Nasa GC. I send it through your GC. So every time you have free time, balikan mo yung test questions. Answer mo. Para ka na kumakain ng nuts noon later on. Just like eating peanuts. Kasi alam mo na yun eh. Nasagutan mo na yun eh. Gusto mo lang ma-check doon kung natandaan mo. No? Kung natandaan mo yung in-answer mo for that or kung ano yung naging mali mo at tama natin. Okay? To send ko right after this is the Google form. Pwede nyo sagutan anytime. Pwede nang hindi tonight. Bayaan nyo muna, ma-digest muna lahat na napag-usapan natin. Then saka kayo magsagot. Not necessarily answeran nyo siya right away. Para at least meron kang konting buwelo. Diba? Sabi nga natin stock knowledge. No? Sabi ni Mr. stock knowledge yan eh. Then after that, we have to review again kung ano yung mali natin, mabalikan natin. Para once you retake that same questions, nadagdagan na dapat yung score mo. Kung ang score mo ngayon for the 100 questions is 60%, dapat sa susunod at least 70%. Diba? Meron kang plus 10. Then when you take it again, huwag ka nang bababa rin sa 70. Dapat natandaan mo kung ano yung naging mali mo at i-correct. Okay? Guys, remember, dadaan ng Reblex once a year. Once a year lang. Once a year lang. Pag napalagpas mo, we have to wait another year. So konting tiis lang. Konting tiis lang. After that, 'di ba? To take another board. Appraiser naman. Ganyan lang eh, 'di ba? Ganyan lang. Pero let's take it one at a time. Yung pinag-aralan mo, guys, remember this. Kung ano yung meron tayo sa real estate brokers, maraming questionnaires. Percentage ng part ng appraiser nandito. Meron. Hindi zero. Walang makukuha from REB to REA. May kausap akong isa, nagre-review rin siya ng REA, nagre-review siya rin. Sa atin, nagre-review rin siya. Sabi niya, ma'am, halos pareho. Siguro it's more on technical. More on technical sila. Kaya yung important, yung mga technical na inaaral natin dito, hindi siya masasayang. Magagamit mo siya. Okay? So after this, Kain muna tayo, di ba? Internalize muna everything, ma-digest natin kung anong narinig natin tonight. Then after that, mag-relax ka. Today is Sunday. Enjoy the night. Then tomorrow, pwede mong gawin tomorrow. Okay? Pero find time, ha? Find time. Find time. Okay, sandali lang naman yan. Alright? Good night, everyone. God bless. Stay beautiful. Inside and out.
Thank you, Miss
Bye-bye.
Jo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. God bless everyone. God bless.
Bye-bye.